Just a little bobber project. Bought it at the auction with the front fender wrecked. Put the LED turn signals on. Couldn't get them to work. They just stayed on. Figured out that I had to run these little flashers. Got 2 of them for like 11 bucks off of Amazon. Had to splice in to the purple wire and the brown wire coming out of the plug that's hooked to the fender there. I just ran it as there's 2 prongs. I ran it from the load coming from the harness that way and then out to the plug. And now they actually blink. Kind of a shitty job on chopping the fender, but it's just something to mess with. I raised the tank. Still got to get the rear end bolted up. Took the shocks off. Got these to make it a hardtail. That's because I cut my wires, forgot that I had the damn key on, popped a fuse. More to come. I'll post another video when I'm done with it.